Pag nag-selfie ka, doon ka sa ilalim.
Ang ganda ng pasa, hindi naman ini-expect ni Golia. Gilchrist from the outside. Sabi niya, antayin na natin yung aking mga kakampi as I try to repost. Ito si Rhett is sitting down here for the first couple of minutes.
That's a foul on Golia. Tama naman, kasi si Gilchrist nakapagpahinga yan. Inalis siya mga little over a minute into the last end of the third quarter. So, si Rhett kailangan naman pahingayin ng konti.
He will come back stronger. He will come back fresher in maybe 1 or 2 minutes of game time. Pinto swings it on the outside. Jaime, short that time. Itong si Yi talaga, he's just able to create space, Dr. J.
Yeah, si Yi, kumbaga sa ano niya, ang tawag dyan is an opportunist. Parang opo, opportunist.
Tama.
Opo. Alam mo, opo, mahal na mahal kita, baka makakalimutan mo kami. Ako una nag-umpisa na naghihingi dyan.
Para makapag-selfie naman si Dr. J.
Hindi ako marunong nun pero gagamitin ko yan.
Sigurado yun. Lastimosa, once again, opens up scoring here in the fourth quarter para sa kanyang kupunan.
18 na ginagawa ni Lastimosa, and together with Art de la Cruz, they have played a super game here for Blackwater.
Dehesa gets away. Masyado na malakas yung kanyang layup. But again, Gilchrist, wala siyang kalaban doon sa loob.
Golia tried to rebound with one hand. Usually they say, rebound with two hands, pick it up, make sure that you can get the ball, because that would not have happened if you had picked up that rebound properly.
At ito na, babalik na si Rhett. Short stint here for Golia. Cervantes creates some space of his own and hits that jumper.
Well, these two expansion teams are getting better and better with time. They're really beginning to blossom here in their second year in the PBA. And we are happy for them also.
Gone are the days, Dr. J, na pagkalabo mo yung expansion team na to, chalk up the win.
Yeah. Parang, lamang ka na.
Nice look inside. Cervantes gets it to go once again. Cervantes now in double digits with 10. Nobody looked out for Pinto. Now here's Yi. Duty foul. Bibigay dito ni Mike Cortez para makapasok naman yung kanyang import.
Tama naman yan because disadvantage talaga siya. No? Pag nadiin siya na nadiin sa ilalim, malamang baka 3-point play pa mangyari doon. So, unahan ko na. Wala naman kami sa penalty. Mike's a very smart player, you know.
And now that he has his import behind him.
That was close to traveling. That's a foul now on Lastimosa, and that's number 4. He knew it.
That's gonna hurt.
Hirap siya kay Dehesa dahil malaki sa kanya si Dehesa, and Dehesa is actually, if not more, equally athletic as he is.
Tapos agresibo pa, Doc.
Yes.
Atake lang ng atake. And I think that also might be the game plan is you've got to attack Lastimosa para naman hindi naman siya nakakapagpahinga on the defensive end.
Yeah, make him play defense also, you know. And he's guarding a much bigger player and stronger than he is. We have Canileta coming in for Marquis. Good time to get him back. He might get hot again. Remember, he had 20 points the other game. Today he has 10. No? So 50% pa lamang ang kanyang quota.
Pero Dr. J, 10 points in about a span of 3 minutes.
Correct. 2 shots made here by Dehesa. Lead is cut down to only 2.
This is now the business end of this matchup. Fourth and final quarter na po tayo rito sa Smart Araneta Coliseum. Lastimosa, ankle breaker. Cervantes for 3. Can't get that to drop. At ngayon, tatawag sila ng timeout. Tapos Bulawan there with a big board. Lastimosa launches a 3 short. Active hands here from Rhett. Keeps that alive.
Those are very important offensive rebounds. That's a good block again. This time by Gilchrist again. Nakaka-4 na.
Sabi nga niya, basta umabot siya ng 5, happy siya. Canaleta for 3. Just short.
Tama sa mukha. Foul on Chito Jaime. No intention to hurt. Trying to go for the ball. First personal foul. First team foul ng Mahindra. 3 na team foul dito ng Blackwater sa fourth quarter na ito.
Ramos checks back in. Itong si Jaime hindi na uminit dito sa ating second half.
Now remember, Cortez hardly played in the third quarter, so he should be getting a lot of minutes. But it will also depend on the kind of game he plays. You know.
Cervantes there. Nice defense from Canaleta, but Cervantes just better offense.
12 puntos. So 3 guys already in double figures from the local side of Blackwater. Their import is the other guy, so they have 4 guys in double figures.
Talagang balanced ang kanilang scoring. Dehesa there, nice strip from Cortez. Pinto for 3. Bang! 3-point shot brought to you by Oppo F1 Selfie Expert. Isa na lang laman ng Blackwater.
I think you can live with that. Cortez had to tap, then he helped out and pick up the big man. So nobody rotated to his man. Pero kay Pinto, I think you give him the 3-point shot. Nako, yun ang masama. Yung pasa na yun.
Dehesa, stop from 3. Pinto tracks that one down. They're going to have another 14 seconds to work. That was a gutsy stop and pop for 3. And this time he takes it strong and it'll drop. Against Rhett, nonetheless. Dehesa now with 9. Rhett trying to operate from the outside. Cortez using the screen. And then they still Lastimosa create. Goes to the step back, yes.
20 na.
Parang napaka-quiet na 20 points, Dr. J.
Well, because he has got a lot of help from the locals today.
Not having to do it by his lonesome. Here's Ramos, they swing things around. Dehesa for 3.
Ooh.
Pinto's gonna call a timeout.
To give up fouls, okay? We don't want them having free throws, okay? Honest defense, okay? Import, get the other guy. Back up, okay? We look for mismatches, we look for mismatches, okay? Offensively, shout out, coaches shout, see the man, advantage, okay? Look for mismatches, okay? If it's Gilbert, go. If it's Real, go. If it's MJ, go. But still, move the ball. Swing the ball.
Are you tough and rough enough? Join the Tough and Rough season opener, Sprint Course 1 on February 21, 8 a.m. at Paseo Greenfield City, Laguna. And get a chance to be a part of Team Philippines at the OCR World Championships in Ontario, Canada in October this year. Register now. toughandrough.ph.com. Napakaraming pong tao dito sa Smart Araneta Coliseum enjoying Valentine's Day. Anthony Sutay here together with the Dr. Andy Howe, and we'd like to say once again, good afternoon to all of you. Maraming salamat for spending this special day, this Sunday, here with us.
Well, so far, it's been a very good game. It's been a special game, if you use that word. No? Special game because both teams have had their runs. First quarter and third quarter were won by Blackwater. Second quarter was won by Mahindra by a mile. Now the fourth quarter is important, like you mentioned, and you have to be mentally tough to win close games in the fourth quarter. Leo Isaac as a coach, as a player with Ginebra was a tough player, you know. That's why they did win a couple of championships with the team. Of course, they had also a tough coach in Coach Sonny Jaworski.
Well, they're hoping yung toughness nitong si Coach
Leo
Leo
can translate into this kind of game because this is a very difficult game to predict who's going to win.
Ramos thought about it. They go back inside. Using glass, not gonna go.
Yung mas madali kay Red yun dahil hindi siya magbabantay. Mag-aabang na siya ng rebound o pwede rin siya tumulong at the very end without fouling.
Tama, yun na nga yung nangyari. Clearing the board there for MJ Red. Tatlong lamang ng Blackwater, looking to increase it here. Shot clock at 8. Lastimosa making his move. Going high, not gonna work. Pinto, nagmamadali. Di Gregorio, looking to tie things up. No.
What an effort there. And,
ang ganda naman ng ginawa ni Mark Yee.
What an effort. And diretso-diretso sa kamay ng kakampi na malaki. Foul on Mike Cortez, no? Kay Cortez ba?
It should be on Cortez. Ang ganda ng bato ni Marquis. Sabi niya, yung import ko yun nandun sa likuran ko. Siya yung pinakamatangkad.
Sanay sa laro sa labas yun.
Yun ang ayaw nangyari.
Yung mga dinadive ang bola, babato.
4:03 ang natitira rito. That is one of the few misses.
Yes, two
Ito
misses.
si Gilchrist.
Madami na siyang ina-attempt. Pangalawang mintis pa lamang yata niya yan.
Di Gregorio will be replaced. De Hesa back in.
Tama
7 out of
naman.
9 ang numbers.
7 out of 9. Looking for 8 out of 10. Diaz has been given every opportunity by Big Chito Victorero. No? And he just, like I said, can't hit the ocean tonight. No?
That's right.
That happens to players. No?
Yes. At kaya tama, magpasok ko na ng tao na mas maganda yung rhythm sa araw na to. Under 4 minutes remaining sa ating laro. Lamang ng dalawa ang Blackwater.
In
Nasa
game na
kanila
ito.
yung bola.
In game na.
Cervantes for 3. Bang! 3-point shot brought to you by Oppo F1 Selfie Expert.
Nagiging assist player na tuloy itong si Red because he drives, draws, and Cervantes is just waiting for the pass.
19 points already for Cervantes. Ramos trying to answer back. Masyado lang malakas. Lastimosa walks it up. Looking to increase his lead even further. It now stands at 5. Balik sila kay Cervantes. He launches another 3. 22 points in the ball game for Rael Cervantes.
Okay, let him dribble. Okay, hustle up. Hustle. Hey, let's push the ball. Push that ball. Okay, now we will go. I want you to, no flat screen. I don't want you to go flat screen. Okay, you go. One side and you dive. Okay, a local is guarding you. Okay, go, attack, and look at the AG here, I know.
Coach Leo just kept on telling his players, we keep on going to the mismatches that we have. And Cervantes has 16 points in the fourth quarter for a total of 22 in the game.
He has taken over when it has mattered most. Under 3 minutes na lang dito sa ating laro.
Nandiyan na
Dehesa
naman.
nilabas. 3. Short galing dun kay KG Canaleta.
So they have their strongest team right now. You have Art de la Cruz, you have Cervantes, you have Lastimosa, Cortez, and their import. And that's going to be a foul there on Dehesa. They're not in the penalty. Good foul. Pero malayo pa ito, 2:42 pa ito. All you need is 2 stops and 2 scores, and you're back in the game quickly.
De la Cruz. Trying to get it in bounds. Finally gets it to Lastimosa ngayon. Na kay Cortez.
Gagamit ng konting oras.
You're gonna have to go now, Doc.
Yep. At this stage, like I said, Lastimosa, bali wala yung 1-2 seconds. Titira rin yan. Ando ng follow-up. Pero ito na, humahabol na ngayon dito ang puti.
Pinto takes it strong all the way. Masyado lang malakas.
It's wild.
And here's Cortez once again. Waiting now for their main man, Lastimosa. Lastimosa walking past the timeline.
Pagod na rin. Saka masama yung bagsak niya doon sa kabila to challenge the layup. Here we go with the mismatch. Linanap yung libre.
De la Cruz hits that 3. And that might be the dagger, Dr. J.
Bilib na bilib ako sa linaro ni Art de la Cruz in this ball game. He really kept them in the ball game. Out of town games, Binyan, Laguna. Mr. Alonte, Art, kaibigan ko, kamusta ka dyan? I've worked with you there.
Yes, correct. Nakita natin dito sa
Mahindra,
Binyan,
San
Laguna.
Miguel, NLEX Star Hot Shots. Tapos Legazpi City, San Miguel Meralco. Panabo sa Davao yan, about 45-50 minutes away. Barangay Ginebra versus Phoenix. Tapos Star Hot Shots, Alaska sa Davao City. Tapos may laro pa tayo sa Puerto Princesa.
Well, yun ang sinasabi natin. Talagang bumabiyahe ang PBA, bringing the game closer to all of you, our fans. Maraming salamat po sa inyong suporta. Especially on a special day such as today, Valentine's. Lastimosa gets blocked by Gilchrist, pero foul daw ay tatawag.
Swerte siya, natawagan ng foul yun because that was a completely unnecessary shot. You're leading by 9, you use the clock. Kung na-blank kayo, they could have gone the other way, cut the lead down. No?
At ubos oras ng konti muna,
Of
Dr.
course.
J.
Okay. Hindi ikaw ang umahabol. It's not you setting the, you're the one who's controlling the momentum of the game. But he is a very active and aggressive player and you cannot take that away from him.
103-93 ang ating talaan. A minute 47 seconds remaining comfortable lead here for Blackwater at this stage.
Medyo maganda na talaga ang binibuild up nila sa team nila. Well, Gamble dito, he uses another timeout on the part of Chito Victorero. Will leave him only with 1 in the game. Now, you don't want to foul. You want to try to make them come up with a turnover. Pero si Mike Cortez, ang gulang niya. Now, you're not going to foul. Huwag ka na foul ngayon. Alanganin na yan.
Now they're going to attack. De La Cruz looking for the real dagger.
Yeah, that's a chance now for them to cut it even closer.
Bagatsing off to De Gesa. De Gesa launches. That's short.
And De La Cruz with another rebound. That will be reviewed. That's going to be called Mahindra, but it will certainly be reviewed.
Same thing. We switch everything. Everything. We switch everything. I don't want a three-pointer. Okay, switch that. Okay, import. Listen up. Okay, import. Import. Set screen. You go out, MJ. Go out with the small man. Okay, let them score 2 points if they can score. But we have to defend. No three-pointers. No N1s. Okay, we switch everything. Go. Switch the import.
Well, you can see it's very clear. All coaches, when they say switch everything, is they do not want a clear three-point attempt from the opponents. If they make a shot of three-point shot, even nandun yung ano mo, depensa mo, walang tayo magagawa. But you don't want them an easy 2 points either. They're going downstairs to Gilchrist, and that ball will stay there, but it will also be reviewed.
At that time, medyo nagre-reklamo na si Coach Leo and the rest of his coaching staff. But sabi naman ng ating mga referee, huwag kayong mag-alala. I-review naman natin to.
Isa pa dito, yung 110. Hindi naman pwede humingi ng 3 seconds sa 110 na kasi yung 106 pa lamang. Let's see if he touched the glass. Medyo malabo. So, bahala na kayo dyan mag-desisyon.
This might be a better angle, pero still, mahirap pa rin sabihin. That's gonna be out of our TV screens.
But if they did make a stop and they get the ball, they're going to force Mahindra to have to foul them already at this stage. Because at this stage of the game, if Mike Cortez controls the ball, he's not going to commit turnovers. He's really going to wait for the foul.
Tignan natin yung path ng bola.
Parang nahawakan ba ni Gilchrist dito? Because definitely wala nang pula na kahawak niya. You can see, wala dyan si Bulawan. Sino ba ito? Si...
Worst comes to worst, they're saying last touch was on Mike Cortez.
Kung hindi na nahawakan ulit ni Gilchrist.
Tama.
Hindi clear eh. Pero kung hindi clear yan, the ball will stay with Mahindra.
Well, the call, tama. The call on the floor
So it will stay with Mahindra.
was Mahindra. So, you know, if there's indisputable evidence, wala ka na talagang magagawa. You will have to go with the call that they made. Kaya importante. The referee has to make a call first before they go to the video replay.
Is Art De La Cruz putting his body there on Gilchrist? Now he's going to come back in. There's the three-point shot. So they didn't switch. A two-point shot lang pala yun.
Long two ang tinawag doon. He had his foot on the line.
Like I said, hindi basta ibabato ni Mike Cortez yan.
Lastimosa will attack. He will get fouled. Both teams already in the penalty.
I don't think it's a bad foul on the part of the enforcers because that's still under a minute. 56 seconds, madami pang oras yan. If he misses free throws here, then they're still very much in the game.
Pero katulad nga na sabi mo, if he misses, ito si Carlo Lastimosa has been quite steady.
Well, he's 4 out of 5 now. So that makes it, well, it's still a 3 possession. Pero nagiging 8 eh. So lumalaki ang 3 possession game.
Lastimosa gets both to drop that time.
Last time out, tinawag ng Mahindra.
First move. Go up, up. Okay, first move, Mike. Go, corner. Okay, KG, go, corner. Down screen. Down split to AG. AG, go. If you have an open shot here, take it. Take the 3-point shot. Okay? Nothing happens. I want you to go one-on-one. Okay? You have a lot of shooters here in the corner. Okay? Again. Mike. Mike. You go. Corner right away. KG. Down split. Go. Go. Quick. And then we go Diamond. Diamond.
Again, they put the Gregorio back in the ball game, hoping he can make a 3-point shot because he hasn't hit anything. And he's a good 3-point shooter, in fairness to him, no? But I go to Caneleta at this stage. I set every screen for him.
They find Gilchrist. Gilchrist for 3.
That's it. That might be it because they have to foul now.
Yun na nga yung foul na ini-expect natin. Cervantes gonna add to his tally here.
If he makes free throws. Well, that should make their owner, Giselle Desi, very happy with this comeback by Blackwater. So they might go to 1-1. They'll keep Mahindra at 1-1. Meralco will be on top at 2-0. And the winner of the next game, wag na kaming iiwanan, kasama si Magu at saka si Kinito.
The winner there goes to
1-1.
1-1 also.
Parehong talo yun eh, 0-1. Pareho yun. Yung Global Port at saka yung Barangay Ginebra. And Cervantes caps a great evening by making his 2 free throws.
Kaya importante rin doon sa ating second game, Dr. J, na hindi ka pwedeng matalo dahil you'll fall 0-2.
Apat ang matatanggal dito. Remember, hindi dalawa.
Tama. 4 ka agad-agad.
What a big win here for Blackwater. They won the first, third, and fourth quarters of this game. Lastimosa, a usual evening, 24. Dadagdagan pa yata, okay. 25 na, 39 plus 25. 64, 32 average for 2 games.
Not as explosive as the first game, Dr. J, but still
Hindi
a
naman
solid
kailangan
showing.
eh. And he played less minutes today.
That's right. Dehesa looking for space. Launches. Gilchrist was there to clean things up.
He's not a bad player. Rebounding-wise, defensively, and scoring on the inside is a power.
Lastimosa pa rin holding on.
Ayun, maagawan ka na. You get trapped.
Magatsing launches a 3. Offline.
Outside. Hindi ka tumatawag ka. Wala ka sa loob ng court.
Well, he tried, Dr. J.
He was trying to call a
Nasa ere.
timeout.
Hindi na binibigay ngayon yan. 15.7 seconds remaining. It's a 1-ball game. Here's Canaleta. Yes!
They did go to him in the previous play. They should have gone to him.
Kaya sinasabi natin, talagang iniikot talaga natin yung PBA para mapalapit to sa mga fans. There's that trap once again.
Magaling rin mag-trap itong mga white shirts. Okay lang maikot. Huwag lang tayo mahihilo. Ha? Mahilo tayo.
Yun ang importante, Doc.
Ikot tayo na ikot.
10.1 seconds remaining.
Not a superior performance, but a much improved and more teamwork being displayed by Red. Oh, nakakuha pa ng rebound.
That might be it here. Hindi na fa-foul ang Mahindra.
Si Cortez, hindi ganong klaseng player. Hindi na titira.
And that is it para sa ating laro. Blackwater got off to a very good start, Dr. J. Lumamang ng 10 in the first half. Nahabol sila ng Mahindra, pero in the end, yung kanilang resilience showed.
I think they were coached very well in the third quarter. The fact that they went to players that usually were not, they went small. They went 3 small, but they were able to get back the lead, and then the big men came in and really helped in the fourth quarter.